In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and sign into Temu using a few simple steps. This video is designed to make your journey as smooth as possible, whether you're using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. We all know that signing into a new platform can sometimes be daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Temu website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Temu URL in the address bar. If you're not sure what browser to use, popular options like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari are reliable choices. Once you've typed in the URL, hit the Enter key. This will swiftly direct you to the Temu homepage, which serves as your starting point. Now that you've arrived on the homepage, the next step is to locate the Sign In / Register button. Typically, this is in the upper right corner of the page. It's straightforward and usually highlighted to catch your eye. Click on this button and you'll be guided to the sign-in page. Remember, websites often have security measures in place, so it might take a moment to load, especially if you're on a slower connection. Once you've clicked Sign In Register, you'll see a variety of login options. This flexibility is wonderful because it allows you to sign in using the method that's most convenient for you. Whether you prefer using your email, want to sign in with your Google account, or perhaps Facebook or Apple fit your style better, the choice is entirely yours. Simply select the option that suits you best. Let's say you've decided to log in using your email. All you need to do is enter your email address, followed by your password. Double-check these details to avoid any typos that might slow you down. Some of you might choose to log in with Google or another existing account. In that case, you just follow the prompts, authorizing Temu to access the necessary information from your chosen account. Don't worry, this is standard procedure and completely secure. It might ask you to confirm a few details, so take your time to read everything presented on the screen. Your patience here ensures a smooth setup process. Now, once you've successfully logged in through your chosen method, you're done. Your screen will update to reflect that you are now signed into your account. Breathe a sigh of relief because you're all set up and ready to explore everything Temu has to offer. If you followed along with this guide, you should now be able to navigate Temu with ease, ready to enjoy its services or products. And there you have it, the simple steps to signing in to Temu. If you encounter any issues along the way, remember there's often a help or support link nearby. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous experience using Temu.